Black Friday came and went, and this is what I got from Black Friday: a Clip 5. Didn't realize that actually JBL released this because I haven't really been keeping up with the news on this. But yeah, they seem like they have came up with a Clip 5. I do have a Clip 4 and a Clip 3 as well. Do like the design on this thing. I think that if you wear backpacks all the time and you need portable speakers, this is probably one of those that you want to get. Anyway, they updated to Clip 5 now, so let's take a look. It says 12 hours on this thing, and Bluetooth is 5.3 now. So basically what that means is that if you, the higher the Bluetooth, the less energy it consumes. I believe that's how that works. Anyway, yeah, they updated it. Oh, the one thing that they did update is that the design on the packaging is actually different now. So anyway, go figure. They used to have all these plasticky design, that looks really good for retail, but I guess now they know that they're just doing it for Amazon. It doesn't really matter, right? All right. And here it is. Nothing else in the box other than the usual booklets and a USB-C charger. This one seemed a little bit more flimsier than the previous model that they included. This feels a little bit bigger than the Clip 4. I guess I'll do a separate video on comparing it, but the aesthetic is kind of the same in my opinion, because the way the big JBL logo is right there, and also the mesh design that they have going, they kept that design. And also on the back, if you look in the back right here, these rubbers where you can just kind of like, put it on the floor like that. It protects it all around, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. It's one of those speakers where you're going to be carrying with you all the time. And so I guess they try to make it as rugged as possible. This up here, it's metal. The little clip though, part of it is not metal. It's actually rubber coating on this thing, which is good because when you clip it onto your backpack or something like that, you don't want metal to be like hitting it, I guess, if you have other metal clanking against it. Got the Clip 5 logo on the side right here, and also yeah, I guess the camera can see it. There's a power button, Bluetooth, and another button over there as well. And then the play and pause buttons right here with the volume on the top. So it's kind of the same on that one if you've looked at the Clip 4. Now let's turn it on. Oh, there's a light up on here. The startup sound is still the same. Let me grab my phone and connect this thing. Let's see here. What shall we play? Something non-copyrighted, I'm pretty sure, because they've been dinging me on that. All right, I think I found this song right here. Let's go ahead and play it. My mic is right here, by the way, so I'm gonna point it that direction for you guys. Wow. So I feel like they must have upgraded the bass module or something, because when I'm holding it, I can feel it in my hand. For sure, not something that you would hold in your hand while it's playing, I would say, because it's pretty loud. What volume do I have it set here? That's not even halfway, by the way. Let's try it full blast. All right, let's try it. All right, yeah. You probably don't want to play full blast either. It's pretty loud. All right, I definitely have to compare it with the Clip 4 to see which one is louder, but I feel like this is a lot louder. The bass module back here, it's actually like vibrating in my hand as I'm holding it. So yeah, guys, definitely an upgrade, I would say. This is one of the loudest portable speaker that I've seen, portable mini speaker that I've seen. And this thing says it lasts 12 hours, just running like this, which is astonishing. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's all I got for Black Friday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.